slippers? Yeah. Come here. Where are you going? Hey, let's go back to mommy, okay?
Hi.
Let's go back to Go on.
Come here. Are you gonna get my fuzzy slippers? Hey, I can't even move this fast. Dunk. Hi.
Let's keep going. Come here. Say, take these pajamas off and I'll go like that. Hey. Slow down.
I know what he sees.
Oh, I got the blankie.
Ah, it's Nana time. It's Nana time. Miles. Hey. Hey. Who's ready for their nap? I think you are. Say bye-bye.